how to change YouTube channel name. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up YouTube. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on your channel. And here you will see this menu tab that says manage videos with an analytics icon next to it and a pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon, and here you will see the name field. Click on it and you will be able to change the channel name to whatever name you want. And once you're done, click on OK to save the changes, and your channel name will be changed to this new name. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your YouTube channel name. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.